White chicken chili soup. Have you ever tried it? It tastes kind of like a chicken enchilada, but in soup form. Look at all those chunks in there. It's so good. Follow along, I'll show you how to make it. This soup is super easy to put together. First, on a medium heat, we're gonna have some olive oil, just to coat the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna add in some chicken breast that we've diced up into small bite-sized pieces. To that chicken breast, we're gonna add garlic powder, and also go ahead and add in those onions right away. So we chop the onions up, and we're going to saute these and cook these until the chicken is fully cooked. So it's been about 5 minutes, and you can see that the chicken is no longer pink, it's all cooked. It has a lot of the juices at the bottom, and that's what we're looking for. It adds so much flavor to the soup. Now, can you skip this step and just saute the onions and put in rotisserie chicken? Sure, but you miss out on a lot of that flavor. So to this chicken and onion mixture, we're gonna add in some chicken broth. We're gonna add in some beans. And I like to use the Great Northern beans. They're a nice white bean, a nice size. I'm gonna add in a can, and I did already drain and rinse these beans. And we're gonna add in our seasoning, which is salt, black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and some oregano. And we have green chilies. You're gonna add in 2 small cans. So these are the 4-ounce cans. We're gonna add in 2 of those to the soup. They just add a lot of flavor. We're gonna mix that all together. We're gonna bring it to a boil, and we're gonna let it simmer uncovered for 30 minutes. Okay, the soup has simmered now for about 30 minutes. We're letting that temperature drop a little bit lower, like to the 160 is perfect, because you don't want any of the cream or the sour cream to curd, because that's what we're adding in next. This is a cream soup, but it's a very thin cream soup. So you're gonna add that in. We have heavy whipping cream and some sour cream. And I have the heat turned off at this point. Let's add in that sour cream. Blend it together. Once you've added in the heavy cream and the sour cream, your soup is ready to be served right away. And you're just going to serve it up, maybe put it with some crusty bread on the side, and it is absolutely delicious. The recipe will be at the end of the video, and of course there's other great recipes for you to check out at the Sharky's Greenhouse YouTube channel. Be sure to go there and hit that subscribe button.